This beast right here is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. I know that you have easily mistaken it for an S-Class because it has the same tapered end, bulging haunches, creased sides and the delicately placed LED headlamps. Up front, it has its own identity with the sporty 2-bar grills and the 3-pointed stars fits perfectly in between. You get 17-inch alloy wheels. The interior of C-Class will amaze you as it looks several classes above. You get a beautifully sculpted dash and a nice glossy wooden console. Every material looks rich and the build quality is high. There are splashes of chrome everywhere and little touches like these buttons will spellbound you. Let's talk about equipments because you get loads of it in here. There is a 17.7cm command system tablet which has a host of functions in it, and you even get a touchpad to operate it. You get basics like automatic climate control, Bluetooth, but they've added goodies like satellite navigation, LED ambient lighting with selectable 3 colors, push button start and a massive panoramic sunroof. Both front seats are controlled electronically. You get loads of storage in the center glove box. And there is the typical Mercedes analog clock sitting in the center of the console. Well, it's a Mercedes and obviously its rear seats are very comfortable. You get a wide seat with 3 headrests so 3 people can easily fit in here. But the third passenger will have a shortage of legroom as there is a tunnel right going here. In the center armrest, you get 2 cup holders and a little storage in the glove box. And you get AC vents behind. You even get a 12-volt socket. It has a 2.2-litre engine which creates 170 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. In case of safety, you get 7 airbags, ABS and EBD as standard. Because of all these reasons, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class costs 50 lakhs.